Race to Hell 2024, a hellish ride for quad and side-by-side competitors. In the Spartan, the duel was heated between Frenchman Carmelo Gueli and Romanian Anatoli Stanciu. Gueli prevailed, claiming the first place with a 25-minute lead. Third was Croatian Mario Kovacic. Fabio Sauli, the best Italian driver, performed admirably, finishing fourth. Here we see the legend Giuseppe Di Michele, alias Pino Codino, the oldest of the runners, who is not at all intimidated by the hostile tracks. Four days of an intense competition with different roads each day tested endurance and riding skills of the participants. This is Fabio Sauli, the best ATV rider in Italy, winner of the 2019 edition. An extreme race that requires a great physical and mental preparation in a truly evocative landscape. In the cross-country there was a surprise victory for Frenchman Frédéric Lenglard, who beat the favorite Alex Bragaru by just 13 seconds. The third place went to Italian Andrea Arrighi. Side by side, the Italian crew of Weiner Morandi and Fabio Betussi dominated. Two Germans crew finished second and third. The Race to Hell 2024 confirmed its status as an unmissable event for quad and side-by-side enthusiasts. Bye everyone, friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. To all the champions, see you at the next Race to Hell. Good luck with the Hunted Wolf.